Look who came to join us. Can I pet you? No? Coco lets me pet her, see? Oh, good girl, Coco. Can I pet you now? That's a good boy.
Help shape the future of BC's economy. Join IUOE 150.
You're okay.
Here in BC, we'll get through this pandemic together by taking care of each other, no matter what gets thrown our way. That's my commitment to you, and that's what our plan is all about. Protecting the health of your loved ones, making life easier for BC families.
You got a lot of pin feathers too, hey? Only once in a while you let me take care of them. Are you irritated, Coco? Sorry, sweetie. Are you jealous, Floyd? Don't be jealous. He doesn't get much attention. How many birds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are the other 2? Is she gonna hassle you? You leave him alone. Oh, Cookie, you look so cute. Oh, you let me touch your tail. Oh, I'm out of here, he says. Where are you gonna go? Away from Coco. Do you want to play with this toy? Look. Look, it's the same colors as you. Hey? Do you think you could play it? Or are you too scared? No? Wow, so brave, eh? Look at you. What's Coco doing? Pretending not to notice.